All right, this is one of those chance meets opportunity. I was going to Michael's looking for stuff for some future builds, and I came upon this. A mystery box, or what they call a $4 grab bag. But it's not really a bag, it's a box. I had to ask the manager, I said, is this for real? Because I kind of peeked in and there's a heck of a lot more than $4 worth of stuff in here. And he said, yeah, we just can't store it, so we put it in boxes and we give you a great opportunity. So here's the great opportunity. $4.24. I had to pay tax on the $4. An idea of some of the things that are in here, but not everything. It's definitely worth more than $4. I just want to see how much more than $4 it is. It's better than playing the lottery, I'll tell you that much. We'll take this tape off. Alright, see what we got here. Oh man, where to start? There's an idea of what's in the box for $4. I know they don't like to store this stuff past the holiday, but wow. I'm speechless. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's go through. I want to see exactly how much at retail value this is. Now I realize Michael's gets it cheaper. You know, at Michael's you don't pay retail all the time. You get 20% off coupons and 50% off coupons, but my gosh. Here we go. Halloween is one of my favorite times of year. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know why they're in there. Pez dispensers. That's probably $4 right there. 1, 2. This is slime barrels. This one has spiders in it. Black and purple. Alright, we got some of this extra wide ribbon. Some black webbish kind of stuff. Oh, there's another slime. Spiderish ribbon. What's this retail for? $15. Wow. Oh, and then we got tiny treasures. $5. Looks like a bunch of bones. Oh, exposed to light, activate the glow. Glowing bones. There's another slime. We got, oh no, that one opened up. It looks like granite rock. Once again, I don't know why this is Halloween. Put that over there. Some more granite rock. How much is that? $5 a piece? Oh, we got a little coffin. DIY Halloween. Got a little clasp on it. It's a nice little thing. $3 for that. Oh, vampire teeth. Glow in the dark and in multiple color. How much? $3 a piece. Ah, another slime. How many slimes do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some carving utensils for pumpkins. $2. Holy moly, this is way more than $4. That's what we're thinking. Oh, here's one of those shavers. This is a new surface carving kit. Zombie hands, gummy lollipop. What do these retail for? Let's say probably $1, 50 cents a piece. What else we got here? Oh, you got like these little eyes that you put on your fingers, glow in the dark. These retail for $3. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, another one of those zombie hands. Oh man, we got a whole bunch of these. White candy corn M&Ms. Now, after the holidays, like summer or 4th of July, I'm not thinking you're going to eat too many of these, but kids like M&Ms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just keeps coming. Oh. 6, 7, 8. Wow. There's another zombie hand. 9, 10, 11, 12. Holy moly. 13, 14. There's a zombie hand. What else? Oh, we got some of these. A lot of these. They're What are they? DIY Halloween wood shape forms. Rip. Hocus Pocus. Hocus Pocus. These are all $2 a piece. Little skeleton head. Another skeleton head. Another skeleton head. Boy, another skeleton head. Put those over there. And a rip. What else? Oh. Another one of those. Happy Haunting. And another zombie hand. Alright, what else we got here? Okay, so, Halloween glass beaker. But it's a glass beaker. It's a freaking glass beaker. Look at that candy in it. These glass beakers, how much are these? $6.99 just for that glass beaker. Alright, so we'll fill up that glass beaker with. And we have. Oh man, look at this. This is a glass flask. $6.99. And there's another one. And another one. Holy. And another one. Okay. That's not even the big stuff. Alright. Oh. And a Happy Halloween. Another one of those things. Okay. Oh, and then we have some test tubes. $15 for this rack. Now, you know, one got broke. Oh, but they were kind enough to give me another. So I have a whole rack of test tubes. Oh, shit. I'm running out of room here. Alright. Okay, what do we got? Oh, okay, so, and another Happy Halloween. $20 for these fake pumpkins. Now, let's talk a little bit about fake pumpkins. Instead of getting a real pumpkin, these are hollow. You could carve these out and you'd have them forever. The problem is, you'd have them forever. Unlike a real pumpkin that you can throw in the trash or they decompose. In your compost, these things stick around. So, memories forever are memories forever. You just have to figure out where to put them. 1, 2, 3. And another one, 4. Oh, and then this is the last thing in the box. A projection whirl emotion. So you either like these or you don't. They're kind of goofy, but they're $30 goofy. Adding this all up, this is an absolutely staggering find. Even if you got it at 8% off, $3, and they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. 24, 28, 39, 25 cents a piece, and there's 16. So that's $4 or $8 worth of this stuff. You got $15 worth of rocks. 2 of these ribbon things for $15. You got this for, like I said, $29. $80 worth of pumpkins. Yeah, $28 worth of flasks. 12, 13 of those at $2 a piece. This is a $15 set now that it's got a complete test tube. And you got these, even if they're $2, $8 worth of that. Absolutely staggering, incredible find. I'm going to be looking out at Michael's in the future and figure out what these boxes or bags might have in them. It's an arbitrary box filled with stuff. I didn't add it all up. I mean, probably several $100s worth of stuff for $4. Wow, my best find ever. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to the regular builds next week. I've got one holiday game, fun game for kids, or you can use it in a pub. It's a ring on a string. Coming soon.